Hey, welcome to the Poly stand. This is the latest headset range from Poly. We've got some great solutions here that we're announcing at ISE 2020. We've got UC corded headsets that are certified for Microsoft Teams come in, and we've also got a great new range of Voyager Office headsets. Bluetooth is becoming much more ubiquitous in the office. We've got a new Voyager Office series that allows users to connect to their soft phone, their desk phone, and also their mobile phone with a Bluetooth headset. What's great about this, they can then continue that call as they transition out of the office into their car, and away they go. Universal collaboration across those from the office to the home office. And we've got also contact center headsets, which high reliability, all-day comfort and wearing style. And we've got a selection of decked headsets for the office, and also the great new UC headset for home office use as well. So go to poly.com to see this new range, and thank you for listening.